Thermostat blinking for 5 minutes usually means the thermostat is enforcing a compressor protection delay before engaging the air conditioner to prevent short cycling. Most modern thermostats and air conditioning systems use a built-in protection delay, typically around 5 minutes, to protect the compressor from rapid on-off cycles that cause mechanical stress. The thermostat will blink or display a wait icon but is actually timing and will send a continuous call for cooling only after that timer expires. If you want to verify behavior without tools, set the cooling set point well below room temperature. Watch the thermostat display for the countdown or blinking indicator and listen at the outdoor unit. You should hear the fan start before the compressor, and the compressor will not energize until the delay completes. For a tech level check, measure the 24-volt control signal at the air handler or outdoor contactor terminals with a multimeter while the thermostat is in the waiting state. You should see no continuous 24-volt call to the contactor until the timer ends. If you have a smart thermostat, check the installer or advanced settings for a configurable compressor protection delay and document the current setting before changing it. When replacing thermostats, match the new unit's minimum cycle time and jumper options to the old thermostat or configure the delay in the installer menu to the recommended factory default to avoid voiding manufacturer warranties. If the blink continues past 5 minutes, troubleshoot transformer voltage, common wire connection, or a stuck relay, unstable 24-volt supply, or weak battery in battery-backed units can cause repeated resets and blinking. For systems with variable speed compressors or inverter drives, consult the equipment technical manual because those systems use different soft start sequences and the thermostat should be compatible with variable frequency drive control. Always disconnect power at the service panel before doing wiring changes and label wires during thermostat removal to preserve correct staging and fan control. One of the most common mistakes is misinterpreting thermostat blinking as a control failure, thermostat blinking, thermostat not calling for cooling. Fix this by checking the installer settings, listening for outdoor unit fan action, and confirming the 5-minute protection timer is active in documentation or service menus. Another common issue is replacing the thermostat with a unit that does not respect compressor protection delays or is incompatible with heat pump and inverter systems. Thermostat incompatibility, smart thermostat installation. Remedy that by selecting a thermostat listed compatible with your system type and configuring minimum cycle protection and equipment type in the installer setup. The third frequent problem is poor wiring or missing common wire leading to intermittent resets and blinking no common wire transformer issues. Remedy by verifying a solid common wire connection to the new thermostat or installing a common power adapter or new transformer and measuring steady 24-volt output before finishing installation. BigHomeProjects.com lists local HVAC contractors and thermostat specialists, so homeowners can find trusted professionals who understand compressor protection delays and proper thermostat configuration. The directory also helps contractors get more work by connecting them with homeowners searching for reliable thermostat wiring and replacement services.